Guys, did you know that you can actually create a digital signature on your Mac without actually having to create a key or actually having to have a sloppy signature that we generally do with our phones or our touchpads? How to do it? So this is a sample PDF that I've just downloaded off the internet, and at the bottom, let's say I have to sign it. How do I sign it? It's very easy. On the top bar, you can see we have multiple options: file, edit, view, go, and here we have tools. Click on tools and then go down till you see annotate. In annotate, go down further in that menu, and then at the last you can see signature. Now I already have a signature, but if I want to just use that signature, I can drag and drop it over here. I can adjust the size, and that is great as well, but I don't want it. How do I create a new signature? I can just go to tools, go to signature, manage signatures, and then create signature. Here what you can do is, first of all, just use your trackpad, click here to begin. As I said, it is going to be sloppy, so it's not bad, it's not great either, right? So but if I write it on a paper and if I select camera instead, I can just write it down. So you want to hold it above the line. I'm going to click clear again so that I have a clearer signature. So there we have it, right? mymactalk. Now this can be a little finicky, as you can see. I'm just going to create a new one. I'm going to delete this, create signature, and then hold this up to the camera, right? We're going to follow the same process. There we have it. I'm going to click on done and I have a new signature. I can just select that signature and then enlarge it and have it as a signature. So I've digitally actually signed the document without actually having to sign it. Well, this is a great feature. Many people don't know about it. I hope you found it helpful. If you have, please let me know in the comments below. See you in the next video.